Hey guys, welcome to another useful and interesting video on Digital RNK YouTube channel. So in this video, you'll learn how to back up your WordPress website quickly. You have decided to build a website with a plan and started working on that. So you would be putting a lot of effort and working on your website on different days and times. What if your website crashes while working? By taking a backup, you can keep multiple copies of your website data. You can restore them and start resuming your work without any hassle at any point of time. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create backups of your website in few simple steps. I'm Nanda Kishore from digitalrnk.com. So if you're ready, let's get started. Step number 1, installing the backup plugin. So first thing first, to take backup, we are going to be needing a plugin called Updraft Plus. If you're logged in, let's go to Dashboard, click on Plugins and add new. Now search for Updraft. Make sure you install this one. This has over 3+ million active installations. Click Install now. And then click Activate. Step 2, taking a backup. So once the plugin is successfully installed, now it's time to take backup. To do that, just click on Backup now. And make sure you check all these options and hit Backup now. So there we go. We have successfully backed up our site. Now scroll down and you can see the backup that we took now is here. So how do we use these backups? For instance, I'm gonna go to Pages and delete my home page. Now I'll go to my site and click Refresh. As you can see, the page is gone. Now to bring that page back, we have to restore. So I'll go to Updraft and click Restore and select all these and click Restore. That's it. Now you can return to the home page and click Refresh. So we can see that our home page is back again. So we have just seen how to back up your site with manual backup method. Let's say you have taken backup today and you have spent a week and made a lot of changes to your site. What if your site crashes that time? You lose all your hard work that you have made in a week. You cannot always remember to take backup every day, right? So to avoid that, we are going to be using an automatic backup method. Sounds good? Yes, let's see in Step 3, setting up automatic backup. Up next, we would create an automatic backup which would ensure that backups are taken without our intervention. And that's an efficient method. Click on Settings on your WordPress dashboard and then click on Updraft. Go to the Settings tab. Here you will see File Backup and Database Backup schedules. It is recommended to set both to weekly. And then set the retain this many scheduled backups to 4 each times. With this, the backups are created weekly and you will always have the website backups from the last 4 weeks. Next, we will have to choose the remote storage location for our backups. So this plugin offers bunch of cloud storage options to choose from. So we will go with Google Drive, as it is simple and easy to access. Select Google Drive now, scroll down and click Save Changes. As soon as you click Save Changes, you will be prompted to sign in to your Google account and then give access to the plugin so that Updraft will be able to store your website data automatically to Google Drive. So let's click here and now choose your account to sign in and click Allow to give access. So you will get this page. Click on Complete Setup. Alright, now Google Drive is linked to Updraft and all your website data will be automatically backed up. Just imagine the whole site crashes, maybe due to a plugin or theme install, and we do not have access to our dashboard anymore. So how do we use these backups to fix the crash site? So you got to do three things. Remove the old installation of WordPress from your domain provider. Install a fresh WordPress again onto your domain. We can restore the website using the backups we have on Google Drive. So to get back your website, first we are going to remove the existing WordPress installation. I'll just log into my hosting cPanel. Mine is hosted on Hostinger. Guys, if you are looking for best web hosting, go for Hostinger. Use my channel name to get additional discount. Also click on the above link to see how to buy and set up new hosting. So now click on Manage and scroll down to Website option and click on Auto Installer. You will see the list of websites installed. So next to the domain, click on these three dots and click Delete. You will get a prompt that says Delete application. Click Delete to confirm. So now we have removed the crashed website. To recover the crashed website, we now have to install a fresh WordPress installation onto the same domain. So to install WordPress again, click Select and enter the username and password and click Install. And now we can access the dashboard from here. Just click Edit Website. Alright, now we are on a fresh WordPress dashboard. So before we go ahead and do the backup, let's see how our site looks. So go here and click Visit Site. So as you can see, this is the default WordPress theme. Okay, now to restore the backup, we need to install the Updraft plugin again. To do that, go here and click on Dashboard and hover on Plugins, Add New and search for Updraft and install now and click Activate. So the plugin has been installed onto our new WordPress site successfully. Now to restore, click on Settings. And if you try to access your old backups, you don't see anything because we haven't linked to Google Drive from this new WordPress site. So to fix this, go to Settings and click on Google Drive and click on Save Changes. Just like before, we have to give Updraft plugin access to the same Google Drive account. Let's do that. You're all done. Now click on Complete Setup to finish the linking process. Let's check the backups. Now you can search Rescan Remote Storage. There we go. We have our backup stored on Google Drive. So to restore this, we just have to click on Restore and like we did before, choose all these options, checked and hit Restore. This is gonna take a while. Please be patient. Now, if we go to our site, we have successfully restored our website. So by this way, we can take care of our website and work seamlessly without having to worry too much about the website crashes or errors, etc. etc. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to backup, restore and schedule your website data with Updraft Plus plugin. So if you have any queries regarding this video, please drop your comment below and I'll answer all of them. Thank you guys. See you in my next interesting video. As always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Peace out.